You may not realize what is happening inside your body, but every day, without you noticing, silent inflammation is working against you. It drains your energy, it clouds your mind, it slows your digestion, it disturbs your sleep, and little by little, it makes your body feel older than it really is. But there is a gentle, ancient Buddhist technique that can help calm this fire from within. A practice so simple, so natural, and so powerful that it may change the way your body feels, recovers, and heals. Before we go any further, I want you to take a moment. If you truly want to understand your body, your energy, and your healing, subscribe now to Buddha Inner Journey. Every video here is made to bring you closer to balance, peace, and a healthier life. So breathe deeply now, because what you are about to hear can help you feel lighter, calmer, and more alive. Think about this. Some of the aches you have felt for years may not be just age. Some of the heaviness may not be just tiredness. Some of the tension may not be just stress. Sometimes, your body is stuck in a constant state of alert. And when your body stays in alert mode for too long, it begins to burn itself from the inside. That is inflammation. Not always loud, not always visible, but deeply real. Imagine your body as a peaceful village. Inflammation is like an alarm bell ringing all day and all night, even when there is no danger. At first, the villagers try to ignore it, but after a while, the guards grow tired. The walls begin to crack. The inner peace disappears. That is what happens inside the body too. Your energy flow becomes blocked. Your nervous system becomes tense. Your digestion slows. Your sleep becomes lighter. Your muscles stay tight. Your heart works harder. Your cells age faster. And yet, many people never realize that this is happening. They just feel tired. They just feel bloated. They just feel irritated. They just feel older. But the truth is, inner fire should warm you, not destroy you. In Buddhist teachings, the fire must be warm, never scorching. That means your inner energy should support your life, not burn you from within. So how do you know if silent inflammation is already affecting you? The signs are often subtle. You wake up tired. Your joints feel stiff. Your stomach feels heavy. Your skin looks dull. Your sleep is disturbed. Your thoughts feel cloudy. Your emotions feel harder to control. You feel like you are carrying something invisible. And often, much of it begins not just in the body, but in the mind. That is why this Buddhist technique is so powerful. It works on the breath. It works on the nervous system. It works on hidden tension. It works on the fire inside you. The practice is called the breath of the calmed fire. It is simple. It is quiet. It is not dramatic, but it is deeply effective. It does not use medicine. It does not use supplements. It does not force the body. It teaches the body how to stop fighting itself. And that is where healing begins. Now, if you are ready, let us begin. Place one hand on your belly. Place the other on your solar plexus. Close your eyes gently. Relax your jaw. Drop your shoulders. And begin by breathing naturally. Do not force anything. Just notice. Is your breath high in your chest, or is it soft in your belly? For many stressed people, the breath stays too high. And a high breath tells the body that it is still in danger, but a low breath tells the body that it is safe. So now, inhale softly through your nose. Exhale slowly through your nose. Again, inhale, exhale. As you do this, feel your shoulders start to drop. Feel your chest soften. Feel your belly begin to open. That is the first sign that your body is leaving alert mode. Now lengthen your inhale slightly. Feel the air sink deeper into the belly. Let the abdomen expand gently forward. Then, make the exhale longer than the inhale. Slow, easy, smooth. The slow exhale is the key. It sends a message to the body. You can stop defending now. You are safe. Do this 10 times. If you feel warmth, tingling, or a subtle movement in the belly or back, that is good. That means blood is beginning to move again in places that were long tense. Now comes the second part. On a very slow exhale, Imagine your diaphragm softening. Imagine it opening like a flower. The diaphragm is one of the most overlooked places where stress hides. When it tightens, the body holds fear, sadness, anger, and unprocessed emotion. A tight diaphragm can create belly tension, poor digestion, back pain, fatigue, and nervousness. So now, with every exhale, let that area soften. Let it release. Let it expand with ease. You may even place slight awareness below the navel and imagine the whole lower belly becoming peaceful. Do this a few times, and if your stomach gurgles or shifts, that is a sign that the body is responding. Now let us go deeper. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 1 second. Exhale for 6 seconds. At the end of the exhale, relax the belly completely. Pause for 1 second. Then begin again. Inhale 4. Hold 1. Exhale 6. Relax. This simple cycle can calm the nervous system, lower stress, and help reduce the internal pressure that fuels inflammation. It is so gentle, yet so powerful, because it teaches your body how to switch from survival mode to healing mode. Now release the face. Yes, the face matters too. Buddhist practice teaches that tension shows on the forehead, in the cheeks, in the jaw, and even in the tongue. So relax the forehead. Let the tongue rest softly. Unclench the teeth. Loosen the jaw. Let the eyes grow heavy. And notice how your face begins to change. Less tight, less forced, less heavy. Like a flower opening slowly to the sun. This is not just relaxation. This is a reprogramming of the body. Because chronic inflammation is often tied to chronic stress. And chronic stress is often tied to a nervous system that never fully rests. When the body believes it is always in danger, it keeps producing stress signals. But when the breath becomes slow, deep, and steady, the body begins to understand that it can repair again. That is the power of this practice. It speaks a language the body understands. In some Buddhist temples, monks practice this kind of breathing daily. They do not rush, they do not force. They simply breathe in a way that calms the inner fire. And that is why they often look so peaceful, so steady, so alive, even in old age. Their breath is soft, their mind is clear, their body is not constantly fighting itself. And now, I want you to understand something very important. Aging is not only time passing. Aging is also inflammation. Aging is also oxidation. Aging is also nervous system stress. So when you calm inflammation, you are not just healing discomfort. You are helping your body age more gracefully. You are helping your cells recover. You are helping your energy return. You are helping your mind clear. You are helping your whole being soften. If you practice this morning and evening for just a few minutes, here is what may begin to change. Your belly may feel flatter and calmer. Your digestion may improve. Your sleep may deepen. Your joints may feel lighter. Your mind may feel less noisy. Your skin may look brighter. Your energy may become steadier. And your face may begin to look less tense, less tired, and more alive. But the deepest change is this. Your body stops feeling like a battlefield. It starts feeling like home again. And that is why this technique must become a ritual, not a task, not an obligation, a sacred moment, a quiet return to yourself. Use it in the morning before you touch your phone. Use it after meals. Use it while walking slowly. Use it before sleep. Use it whenever stress begins to rise. You do not need a special room. You do not need a mat. You do not need anything except your breath. So tonight, or even right now, begin. Place your hand on your belly. Breathe gently. Inhale for 4. Hold for 1. Exhale for 6. Relax the jaw. Relax the shoulders. Relax the face. Let the inner fire cool. Let the body remember peace. And let the healing begin. If this practice speaks to you, subscribe now to Buddha Inner Journey. Like the video, share it with someone who needs healing, and comment, "I choose peace within my body." That is not just a comment. It is a commitment, a beginning, a step back to yourself. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are not too late. Your body knows how to heal when it is finally given the chance to rest. And every slow breath is a reminder that you are safe enough to begin again.